Dinner recipes for 1-year-old baby. 1. Mini meatballs and pasta. Ingredients: 1 cup ground beef or ground chicken, 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons grated cheese, 1 teaspoon dried Italian seasoning, 1/2 cup cooked and chopped pasta, 1/4 cup cooked and chopped vegetables, carrots, peas, zucchini, etc. 1/4 cup tomato sauce. Instructions: 1. In a small bowl, mix together the ground meat, breadcrumbs, egg, cheese, and Italian seasoning. 2. Form the mixture into small meatballs. 3. In a pan, cook the meatballs over medium heat until browned and fully cooked. 4. In a separate pot, cook the pasta according to package instructions. 5. In the last few minutes of cooking, add the chopped vegetables to the pot with the pasta. 6. Drain the pasta and vegetables and mix in the tomato sauce. 7. Serve the mini meatballs on top of the pasta and vegetables. Cut into small bites for baby to easily eat. 2. Sweet potato and black bean quesadillas. Ingredients: 1 small sweet potato, peeled and diced, 1/4 cup black beans, rinsed and drained, 1/4 cup shredded cheese, 2 small whole wheat tortillas, 1/4 teaspoon cumin, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Instructions: 1. In a pot, boil the sweet potato until soft. 2. Drain and mash the sweet potato with a fork. 3. Mix in the black beans, cheese, cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, and onion powder. 4. Spread the mixture evenly on 1 tortilla, leaving a small border around the edges. 5. Place the other tortilla on top to create a quesadilla. 6. In a pan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. 7. Cook the quesadilla for 2–3 minutes on each side until crispy and the cheese is melted. 8. Let cool and cut into small pieces for baby to eat. 3. Baked salmon with sweet potato and broccoli. Ingredients: 1 small salmon fillet, 1 small sweet potato, peeled and diced, 1/4 cup broccoli florets, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon dried dill, 1/4 teaspoon lemon juice. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 375 F. 2. In a small bowl, mix together the olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder, dill, and lemon juice. 3. Place the salmon fillet on a baking sheet lined with foil. 4. Brush the seasoning mixture onto the salmon. 5. In a separate pan, cook the sweet potato and broccoli over medium heat until soft. 6. Place the cooked sweet potato and broccoli around the salmon on the baking sheet. 7. Bake for 10–12 minutes or until the salmon is fully cooked and flakes easily with a fork. 8. Let cool and cut into small pieces for baby to eat. 4. Toddler-friendly veggie frittata. Ingredients: 4 eggs, 1/4 cup milk, 1/4 cup shredded cheese, 1/4 cup chopped vegetables, bell peppers, mushrooms, spinach, etc. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 375 F. 2. In a small bowl, beat the eggs and milk together. 3. In a pan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. 4. Add the chopped,